Do you want to know how you can auto-pull another Telegram group to our group, or how you can send the group members from one group to another? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can transfer one group member to another group, or how you can transfer a bulk of group members to another group on Telegram. First of all, what you need to do is install something called Graph Messenger from your Play Store. So what you need to do is go to your Play Store and then search for Graph Messenger. Go ahead and install this app, click open, log in with your Telegram details in this application. Now what you need to do is go on groups. Let's suppose I want to go inside this group. I'll go ahead and click on this group. I'll go to the setting over here, so I'll click on this, I'll click on the edit button, and then I'll go to members. So after I click on members, I will select the members of my choice which I want to transfer, and you can see the 2 persons button over here on the top right hand side. I'll click on it and you can see some of the groups. I want to transfer these people to this group over here, so I'll click on this link or the first link. And you can see it asks you, are you sure you want to add 3 users to 3 chat? So click add, and there you go. After you open Telegram, you can see that you have now transferred the people to that group. So it's quite easy. All you need to do is go to this option over here. So you can see that you can select this group, go to its settings over here, and you can see these people over here. So I will go ahead and add one member. I will click the tick mark over here and I'll click add. Now let's suppose I want to add these people onto the group or another group. I'll click on this edit option. I'll go to members, and then I will select this person. I'll select these persons as well, and I'll click on this button and I will click on this page over here. So I'll click add, and you can see that it failed. So let me try again. I'll select these, I'll click on this, and let's suppose I want to click on this. So after that I'll click add. It failed again. Let's try it again, guys. Go ahead and click on this, and then you can click on this group, click add, and this is how you remove or how you pull another Telegram group to your group, or how you can transfer the people in the group all together at once to another group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.